Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a little update about the Jolly Green Giant I've got here. This is my stealth camper. When I bought this, I knew it had, last year it had a warning that brake discs needed looking at. I knew that, but it wasn't a big problem for me until the warning lights came on the dash telling me that there was wear. Now, I'm not going to show you the video to changing the discs because there's so many of them on YouTube as you could find them anywhere for changing the brake pads and the discs on these front and back. This is a front wheel drive one, so the front one was the hardest part, but it's not really that difficult. I'm just going to demystify this for you because so many of them, it's all done on ramps. You see professionals with all their fancy tools. You don't actually need that, and I'm going to show you why. First off, the reason why I changed the discs and the pads. Now, as you can see, all done, all nice and new and shiny, all nice and new and shiny. Right, now someone had decided in their wisdom to change the brake pads. Now, so as you can see, there's actually quite a lot of wear still on the pads because they did change them. Unfortunately, they didn't change the discs. Now, as you can see here, the wear is quite unbelievable. That's a back one. This is the front. And you can see there's quite a bit of wear in these discs. This one here, particularly, it's got, again, this is the back one. You can see just how much wear is actually in here. And same with the front. This is just how much wear there is in these. You can see just how much wear there is in these discs. Now, a lot of people are like, they're put off by the videos because it shows them up on the ramp and everything. I've done this just with a jack, a couple of axle braces, of course. What you will need, I'll give you a link in the video. What you will need is a 36 to take the middle nuts off. It's the same front and rear. You need a 36 because the whole hub has to come off. You need a 21 to take your wheel nuts off, and a decent breaker bar. Don't buy cheap ones, they just won't do it. For the front, you need 50 long reach Torx. 50. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of torque on that. There's a lot of tension, so you need a decent quality one. Don't buy cheap. And for the back brakes, the only thing special that you need, and these are only like 15, 16 quid, whatever. This is a brake kit for screwing back in the back calipers. Now, these, let's say, they come as a set. They're not awful expensive, and you need the right hand thread, the normal thread for the driver's side, and the right hand thread for the driver's side, and the left hand thread for the passenger side. And you need the little adapter to fit the Ford. It's the number 4 I used, and it works very, very well. So that's all you really need. And let's say there's nothing really spectacular about it. If you have any problems, give me a shout out, and I'll see what I can do to guide you through it. But have a go yourself, because this is a fortune in the garages to have this done. I didn't have any problem with it at all. I done it over 2 days because I'm getting old now. So I done the front on the first day. The front was the hardest on this, obviously, because it's a front wheel drive, and the back was a piece of cake. So anyway, if you find anything that I've said that you've enjoyed, please don't forget, give us a wee like, a wee thumbs up, follow my channel, help me along, and I'll let you know what else I'm getting on with.